everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is laundry. You don't have a washing machine just like me, or it just broke down, or your laundromat is too far, or you can't afford it at the moment, but you have a bathtub. I'll be sharing how you can do your own laundry in your own bathtub.
Start by collecting a reasonable amount of water in the bathtub. Then sort your clothes out, separating the light colors from the dark colors. We are a family of 6. I had adult and kids clothes in here. Then soak them using any detergent. In my case, I use Omo for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm on to the second bunch of clothes, still with the same water, but you can also change your water as many times as you want, depending on how dirty your clothes are. And if there is a particular video that you want to see on my channel, please let me know in the comment section below, and hopefully, inshallah, I'll be very glad to do it. Cleaning a particular place in my house, organizing a particular area, or cook a certain recipe, please let me know, and I will gladly do it, inshallah. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to stay. Please subscribe below and turn your notifications on. You won't regret it. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments. I really appreciate all of you, and may God bless you for me. I'm happy while recording this voiceover. I'm celebrating 6 months here on YouTube. I have met a lot of amazing people. YouTube is my happy place. I love YouTube. And yeah, I simply love to be here. Thank you so much for the amazing people that I've met here. Thank you so much for watching my content. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. After 3 rounds of changing water, I'm now rinsing. Then later, I will take the laundry outside to sun dry it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you again, and I'll talk to you soon in a brand new video, inshallah. Bye.